fish is coming right now. So we are in Oxford Street. We've been so far to Liberty and Kiko, and we're walking towards Selfridges. Not a lot of damage so far. It's getting pretty crowded. Oh, you know, Ocean's 8 is meant to be, I mean, I don't know if it's good, but man, I'm so terrible. I kind of want to sit down for another Pims. I'm such an alcoholic. No, but don't let me though. You know what I'm really craving lately? Some Tom Ford makeup. But it's just so expensive. Every time I start looking at it, everything starts at £60. It's crazy. And it's not like I need it. Your worst nightmare. I'm sorry, but I love it here. Check out my lights. We are going to the lingerie section and body studio. The chances that the one day that we come here and it caught fire.
Oh, I missed the fire part, damn it.
Bad Instagram content now. Fancy crab. We are at the most amazing Japanese place, and can we just order the ramen? Yeah, you can put it in. Thank you so much.
You can film it and then I can put it
I basically only eat salad when I'm at home. Or like one ingredient.
Yeah, like one day you're eating like banana, like a bowl of banana, like okay, or a bowl of strawberries or raspberry, and sometimes with yogurt.
Yeah, I'm very single-minded when it comes to my dishes.
But I think I eat kind of random as well. Do you think
I just can't be bothered to get so many things. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, we should. Children, we are in Shoreditch, walking to our destination. I just finished that tree yoga. That class was insane. Before we do anything, I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna eat something. I'm starting to get the travel bug again, you know. I've been in London now for over a week, I think. And I'm starting to feel like I miss airport life. I miss just going to bed really early in the morning and waiting there for my flight. I don't know, there's just something about it. I've ended up making myself breakfast. Tiny little pot of berries and smallish plate with tomato and a meat platter. Coffee is over. We are in Sloane Square. Everybody's so polite around here. I should probably take this off because I can't hear anything. We are gonna go through Granger and Co. I really like it there, and also I just want to pick up a coffee there. This is the street where my hairdresser is. Looks very pretty. Here we are, so it's literally just here. It's so incredibly calm around here. I love the Shop Natura. I've had the silliest couple of days, just with uncomfortable kind of obligations, you know, the kind of things that you don't want to think about, like medical stuff or bills or work, but very technical kind of work. Hey, so we're back. So I had a haircut at Salon Sloan just over there. They are the best. If you're in London and you need just really beautiful hair, just go to them. They're amazing. Look what they did. My hair looks amazing. And now we're gonna go to see Peter because we are in his neck of the woods. So let's look for a bus and head towards Kensington. Oh, I kind of would like a Starbucks now. Literally, I subsist via coffees and beverages. Just going to text him, let him know that I'm finished. I'm just gonna call him because he's not picking up, so I don't know. I want to make sure that he's at home. My DHL guy just called me like, hey, are you at home? The code is not working, because he usually just comes over and brings me the stuff inside. He has total access, and I'm like, no, they changed the code. And I'm like, can you please leave it where you always leave it? And he's like, yeah, no problem. He's awesome. God bless the DHL guys. So by the way, we changed plans. We are gonna go first to Chanel because, as you can tell, I have loved the summer collection. So I just want to take a little look, see what they have, just because it's beautiful. And since we're already in Sloane Street, I thought I don't really need to get any mode of transport to go to Harrods because we're right here. This is literally Sloane Street. Top of the road is Harvey Nichols, where I also want to go. In that corner there's a Starbucks, so the day is just developing beautifully. Here there's also a Hermes, so if we wanted to max out my Amex, we could. Honestly, the last thing I need for my bohemian look is a Birkin. We're in Harrods. I just gotta show you really quickly because I want to go inside. But basically here we are, and I don't think I'm gonna be carrying the camera inside. So in the end we did not go to Kensington, at least not yet. Look, it's awesome Gucci. So I just wanted Tom Ford to try their new Soleil, Eau de Soleil Blanc, and they made this little sample for me, which is so nice. It's so hard to get samples from them. I didn't even buy anything. They were just super nice. I keep humming this track that I wrote the other day, and I'm still waiting for them to give me their feedback because I'm writing with new people, so I don't even know who I'm writing with. I basically sent them an idea something I produced, and they need to tell me if they can make it work with any of their clients. And I really like it, and obviously if it doesn't work for them, then I can use it for whatever. And they've already given me so much stuff to try.